Hi guys, welcome back to Wholesome and Natural Living. I'm Maudlin. So today is part two of restoring my kitchen balcony garden. So yesterday I did this whole cleanup. The weather's been wonderful. I'm in zone 7B in New York. And so just taking advantage because I have to set that garden first, which is closest to this is my kitchen area. So I keep herbs and small plants and um, small plants like peppers, eggplants, things that I can just reach for and do in the spring and summertime. I do not buy. So I have to set that up before I set my main garden. And so the cleanup begun yesterday, and today I get to transplant some things. I think I'm showing you. So I have a GreenStalk. This is a 70 leaf planter. So yesterday I set it up. I cleaned out the plants from the previous season, garden season, and so today I'm setting up my leaf and herb garden. So this bed or this green stalk, rather, I don't know why I'm saying bed. This green stalk is a leaf planter, and it's going to be my lettuce, leaf, um, these leafy greens, herbs, and maybe I'll stick some flowers in on there. But I'm setting up that first. So hopefully you stick around, join me. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, guys, it has been a couple of hours, but I've been hard at work. So this is what I do. I use my GreenStalk journal, and I outline everything I want. So this is tier 6. 5 is, well, 7 is right here. And so you get the gist. So I put whatever I direct sow or whatever I'm transplanting. And currently I don't have all of the tiers filled, but currently I'm up to the first one, which is mint, lettuce, and dwarf Greek basil. So the direct sow is going to be the basil. No, I'm sorry, the lettuce. I'm direct sowing the lettuce, and the rest I'm going to plant. So this is what I've been doing. It took me like an hour and a half, so it's been a few hours, and I'm going to show you how I've been doing this. Okay, so what I've been doing is just taking the tray that I sowed a few weeks ago and just labeling which plant I want to set item, and then just direct uh transplant it. So, and I did this for this one and a few of them that I'll show you guys later. But that's what I've been doing. And then there are some that I'm direct sowing. So I'm direct sowing this one. This is a dwarf basil. This looks so good in the green stock. I did this last year and I was so happy with it. So I already have the 90 day. Honest boy. I already have the tag here and I'll just sprinkle. Okay, I already did the seed there, as you can see it. Um, and I'll do that for those that I'm direct sowing. And so the last thing I'll do for today is gently spray all my transplants and seed, those that I seeded. Uh, for each tier. And then I'm going to leave them as is. So I have some pockets that are not full. So I have plants missing here and plants missing here. And I know this because I have it in my journal. So I know that eventually I'll add some plants here. And this is very helpful, guys. This is how I keep track of what's in my green stalks. So guys, this is how my kitchen garden is coming along. I had to get some more potting mix so I get these from Aldi. So maybe one of those days I'll do an Aldi, what I get from Aldi's that's organic and natural. But I get these from Aldi's, and this is how I fill each tier. This is my first planter. I start with this every year. I've been doing this for about 2 years now. This is the one that I leave out because I put some winter crops in it. But this is how each tier looks like. I'm going to leave them as is on the ground, so I'm not going to stack them as yet because I still have some other plants that I would like to fill. And then once it's each tier has a plant. For example, this is empty, and it's all noted on my journal. So once each of them is full with a plant, I'm gonna try to do that in a couple of days, and then I'll stack them up. It's going to live right here on my deck, and I just have to come out and grab whatever I want. So again, this is my herb and what is it? Herb and lettuce bed, and it only has herbs, lettuce, and maybe one snap pea because we eat that a lot. So having it nearby is really good. Now I am going to set up my second bed, which is going to be my tomatoes, peppers, and what is it? Tomatoes, peppers, and some more herbs, because some herbs like cilantro, they bolt so quickly that I just let it bolt, and then I collect the coriander seeds. So I'll just restart the process again. So I will have my second green stalk on the balcony, part of my kitchen garden, and then we're going to go to the main garden, which is going to be a bit later. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a wonderful morning if you're watching this in the morning. Thank you so much for your time. Good. Have a good day. My kids are also out here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.